File output. A file output stream only contains methods for writing bytes to write strings and other common data types. A print writer is commonly used. Um, Print writer has methods such as print and println and can be constructed from any output stream. A file output stream is an output stream for writing data to a file or to a file descriptor. Whether or not a file is available or may be created depends upon the underlying platform. Some platforms in particular allow a file to be opened for writing by only one file output stream at a time. Basic steps for opening and writing a file. This is the action that we're trying to do, and this is the sample code. To open the file helloworld.txt for writing, we use file output stream, file stream equal to new file output stream, helloworld.txt. To create a print writer to write to the file, print writer out fs equal to new print writer file stream. And to write the string hello world to the file, we use out fs.println of hello world. To close the file after writing all the desired data, we use out fs.close. And to create a file in Java, you can use the file create a new file method. And this method returns a Boolean value, true if the file was successfully created and false if the file already exists. And note that the method is enclosed in a try-catch block. And this is necessary because it throws an IO exception if an error occurs. And writing a text file. The file output stream constructor throws an exception if the output file cannot be opened. And if no exception is thrown, the file is created and is initially empty. Data is returned to the file, then the file is closed. This is how we write to a text file in Java. And this is a small piece of code to explain how we write to a text file. Mm. We import all the required classes. This is a piece of code. Here we use file output stream, file stream equal to null, and print writer out fs equal to null. This is to open a file, file stream equal to new file output stream, my out file.txt, and out fs equal to new print writer file stream. Arriving here implies that the file can now be returned to, otherwise an exception would have been thrown. Out fs.println of hello and out fs println of 1, 2, 3. And once we're done with the file, we try to close it. Close may throw an IO exception on failure and out fs.close. Writing a simple HTML file. HTML files are used for web pages and consist of text content. So therefore, an HTML file can be returned similar to a text file. This is a small piece of code telling how to write to a HTML file. We import all the subclasses that are required. In public class, we write printer.println to write these to a particular HTML file. To open an output file stream and to create a print writer, we use this piece of code. And this piece of code is to write the HTML file and then close file printer. We're using the same function, write HTML file, to write to the console. Writing a simple HTML file. Output file simple.html is opened for writing. A printer writer can be created from anything that inherits from output stream, such as file output stream. File printer is created to write to the file. Write HTML file writes HTML content to the file using the print writer, and then the output is closed. A print writer can also be created from system.out, since system.out is output stream. The same content is written to the console. Thank you.